Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Mastery Series. So, in today's session, we will look into how to create a knowledge base, how to create the categories, and how to create the knowledge articles. In the previous video, we have gone through the knowledge base, all the fields which is available on the knowledge base ServiceNow. So, we'll will continue of creating the knowledge base. So, I have added this in the description also. We have seen that the HR functions. Next, what we have to do, we have to just click on the submit. When we just click on the submit, so you can see all of these by default knowledge base would be readable by all login users. All these notification will appear. So this is the human resource management knowledge base is there. What's the function? HR functions is there's next is you can see after clicking on the submit as some of the tabs appear in the down drop down. So this is a knowledge. Next is can read it. Any user can read it. Can contribute means has at least one role apart from sync. So sync internal knowledge bases. So can contribute means one role at least have for the users. Then next is the article templates, featured content, and the knowledge categories. So what you have to do it now, you have to just click on the knowledge categories. Okay, and if you want to see the knowledge base, so you can just click on the view knowledge base. You can see human resource management. You did not search any results, but there is none of the categories available in this knowledge base and the articles. So you can't see any category or knowledge into it. But yeah, human resource management. You can also just subscribe it as well. What I will do, I'll again go to the knowledge base, right? And in the human resource management, there's some time to add the knowledge categories. So I'll just go to the knowledge category tab and I click on the new. So when I just click on the new, so basically all the knowledge categories, whatever the category the HR functions uh, will will perform. So according to that, you can just, for example, payroll, right? So payroll is a one category and the value remains the same as of the label. So you can just copy paste it and click on the submit. So I will add two to three more categories. Second is onboarding. So I'll just add the onboarding same value. Then I click on the submit. Another category which I want to add into the knowledge base is of boarding is also one category. So knowledge categories, why we are making it, we are making so that the users can go through these knowledge categories, knowledge articles, and can read it. So basically onboarding means the user have to submit the documents, right? Everyone we have to submit our documents, and that is last company experience letter and all of the documents are like our credentials, right? And during the onboarding they also provide us some of the documents from the company side, and what is the payroll, so payroll, salary slip, all of the things available to us in the category. So we can just read that knowledge article, so where we have to go to download the payroll slip, so we can just have this knowledge article, just click on it and can access the payroll slip. So these are the, that's why we are making the categories into it. So first is the onboarding, payroll, and offboarding. There are so many of the HR functions they perform. So you can make many more categories into one of the knowledge base. Next is the time to create the knowledge articles. So how we create the knowledge article? We just simply go to articles. Uh, Before going to article, I'll just update it. Yeah. And now if you want to see the knowledge base, so you can by clicking on the link, view knowledge base, and I just click on it. Yeah, when I just click on a knowledge base view, you can see all the three categories available in one knowledge base, that is human resource management. It's loading. Right. Human resource management. Okay, let me just debug it. Why this issue comes. 1 second, guys. Okay, so we'll just get into it, but first we will just create the knowledge article. So what we can do is we can just search the articles and then we will click on create new. Yeah, so when you just click on the create new, you have the two options here, standard and the non-error article. If any of the non-error article is there and you have to create the in any of the application non-error comes and you have to just click on uh, you have to create the knowledge article on it. So what you can do, you can just click on the non-error article, and another one is the standard, so you can just also click on the standard knowledge base. You can choose it. So human resource management, and the category also, for example offboarding, I will just choose it. Right, so this is the knowledge article, and just schedule the publish date. So if you want to schedule it, if specified article will be published on that date and time, you want to publish it after 2 days, so you can just choose a date and time and you don't have to worry about it. ServiceNow will automatically publish this article on the uh, preferred particular date and time. Valid till validity date is there, so you can just choose go to today. Uh, 1 minute. If we don't want, okay. I just want 18 June 2026 to be valid too. If you don't, then keep it as blank. Then article type is HTML workflow draft attachment link. If you want to show the attachment link, then click on it. Then the display attachments, short description is mandatory. That is in the offboarding. Take documents. Okay, and in the article body, whatever you want to write, I'll just copy and paste it. But when you practice this creating of the knowledge article, you please provide the article body, full article body. You can write it, right? And then you can just also search for the duplicates. Searches the existing articles for the duplicate content based on the short description, category, and the topic opens in the new tab. So basically, if you just click on the search for duplicates, any of the duplicate knowledge article will be there. You'll get to know. If you just click on it, it will open into the another tab, and it searches if there is a no existing knowledge article is there into the service now already or not. If there is not, so basically you can just submit it and go to the publish date. If there is a, then it will basically tell you that if you want to merge it or not, right? So I think you can just able to view this page. Okay, this is loading. Meanwhile, we just go and submit this knowledge article. So basically, we submitted this knowledge article, right? So what we can do, we can just go to all. to see what all the knowledge articles are there. So you can see there is a 58 knowledge articles are currently available, and you can filter it out, and using the breadcrumb you can search what all the knowledge article created today, right? So in this way you can create the knowledge base. In this way you can create the knowledge article category, and into that category you can create the knowledge article, right? So I'll just show you, make it creative, created on today, and run this breadcrumb take document. So this is the knowledge article take document. When you just click on it, so this knowledge article for knowledge article will come. Then you can see the option as a publish, update, search for duplicates, and delete it. If you want to delete it, you can delete it, and if you want to publish it, you can. It's in the draft state, right? And before you publish, also you have to take the approvals. So into this workflow, this approval is not shown. You can just simply click on publish, right? See, here you can see that the workflow section is there. So it's in the draft state. The draft state has been gone. It's completed that stage. Then is a review stage. Then is a schedule for publish, and we have directly published it. Okay, and after that the workflow is a pending retirement, retired, and then outdated. Okay, so if you just click on this again, and some of the options you still able to see, that is the retire and the delete is already there. Another one is a checkout. So you can see that the version of this knowledge article is 1.0, but if you just click on the checkout option, then you can see a newer version of this article is created for revision. You can also create a newer version. It's version 1.01. So if you want to create any new version of the same knowledge article, so you can just click on the check for updates. Okay, then you can see the view article from here, run user criteria diagnostic, upload the new version. Any of the feedback tasks and the approvals you can add it into this section, approval section, article versions. See, there are the 3 of the article versions, there related articles, related catalog items also you can add it, right? And the related articles with this particular knowledge article. Next is the service portal. So basically this is only for the developer practice, right? When you want to add the knowledge article, or when you want to create the knowledge article, but the customer will basically have a look on by using the service portal facility of the ServiceNow. So what you can do is you can just write SP like your name, and then a /SP, and you can just come to the service portal. When you click on the service portal and into the knowledge, when you just search it, then you can see that there is a no option of the human resource management, right? So what you can do is you can just go to the again the same window of ServiceNow PDI, and you can just search you can just search a service portal. Yeah, and you can come on the portals. Then in the service portal SP, you can just click on it, and into that come down into the knowledge base, you have to add it. Okay, so you can just click on the edit option, and into the slush bucket you can choose the human resource management, and then save on it.